it's Danah Artis with Legacy Impact Coaching and Consulting, and we're hanging out today and we're talking about how to thrive in marriage. We know everyone wants that. No one wants to plan a beautiful wedding to end it in divorce. No one wants to smile and put on a mask that you're happy when you're really sad and lonely in your marriage. Well, today I'm going to share with you the 3 things that every marriage needs to thrive. These 3 things any couple can work on and have in their marriage. So I want you to imagine your marriage as a door. A door has a significant purpose. A door allows things in, and a door also keeps bad things out. However, a door by itself has no purpose. It's basically a square, rectangle piece of wood, right? What is required for a door to function the way it was designed? Hinges, right? Okay. Most of the time, hinges are sold separately. So you've been in Home Depot, you've picked out this marvelous door. Does it have a glass window? So now you have to go pick out the hinges. So they send you to aisle 13. Standing in front of 7,342 different options of hinges. Okay, what do I pick? Some of you guys have picked hinges that were happiness, financial security. There's hinges there, this person went to church. They're my child's father. Some of you have hinges that were physically attractive, good conversation. We have the same life goals, we're on the same page. Maybe the hinges you picked were loneliness. You were tired of going to Christmas dinner and your family asking you if you were still single. Some of you feel like you're just getting old and you have to do this because your biological clock is ticking away. Whatever the reason, you picked your 3 doors, you went home, you picked your 3 hinges, you went home and you installed your door. Your door is beautiful. Everyone admires it in the neighborhood, driving by, you admire it. From the inside, you also admire it from the outside. Then one day, your door starts to get jammed. You have to use a little force. You pay it no attention. You just go on about the business. And then eventually, over time, the door gets harder and harder to open. Until one day you have to use so much force to actually get it open, it's not even worth it. So you just go to the back door or go in through the garage. You keep the door closed. It looks fine from the outside. If people drive by, they still admire the door, but they have no idea the door is not working. The door has failed. It's broken. What is going on? The hinges stopped working. Every marriage requires 3 hinges. They are communication, connection, and affection. Your marriage hinges on these 3 things. Your marriage hinges on communication. Are you effectively communicating with your spouse, or are y'all yelling, arguing, fussing, slamming doors? Your marriage hinges on connecting with your spouse in an intentional way, understanding what their hopes are, their dreams, their fears, not just texting back and forth, surface, pick up the kids, pick up dinner, stop by Walmart. You need to connect in an intentional way. And the 3rd hinge that is required for every marriage to thrive is affection. And it's not just sex, but sex is a part of it. But really being intimate and showing affection with holding hands or just non-sexual touch is also a way to provide affection within your relationship. Your marriage needs these 3 things. If you want to move from surviving to thriving in your marriage, then you need to get some new hinges on your door. And that's communication, connection, and affection. Now, if you need help in any of these 3 areas, we are here to help you. We have over 15 years of experience of our own being married, as well as counseling and coaching other people, and we want to help you as well. We believe that any marriage can be fixed if 2 people are willing to work together, and we're willing to work alongside of you. We're rooting for you, we're cheering you on, and we want you to live a thriving marriage.